rank and dense rank in SQL Server. Hi, I'm M. Asif Hussain from KnowHow Academy. What are we going to learn in this video? We are going to learn and understand what is meant by rank, what is meant by dense rank, what is the difference between rank and dense rank in SQL Server with some practical examples. So whenever we hear this word rank, so we are going to get immediate action in our mind that the student's rank. Am I right? So in this scenario, at the end of this video, we are going to understand what exactly is this rank and dense rank in SQL Server with, rather than taking students, and let us take employee rank in an organization. So at this end of this video, you are going to learn and you are going to get an excellent idea what exactly is the difference between rank and dense rank we have in SQL Server. So watch till the end. Rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, and this rank 1, rank 2, rank 3 is applicable for a lot of different applications. So let us consider that a student got first rank, second rank, third rank. An employee got first rank, second rank, third rank. In the same way, a customer has got a first rank, second rank, and a third rank, right? So there are a lot of ranks that we have and we can apply it in a lot of applications. So in this scenario, let me give you a situation where we are stuck up with the rank which is same for two employees. Alright, so let us consider Asif is employee 1 and some Raj is employee 2. Employee 1 and employee 2, okay, both have got the same rank. Okay, so now how am I going to get the result in the output? Okay, that's an interesting factor. And when these two are getting the same rank, and what about the third person? Okay, so he or she is going to get the second rank, or he or she is going to get the third rank. So that's an interesting point. So here is a variation that happens between the rank and dense rank. So for that, I'm just creating a table called employees, and here I have the columns called employee ID, and I am making this as a primary key. I'm creating another column called employee name, employee gender, and employee salary. So now let me execute this query. As soon as I have executed it, the table got created successfully. So now let me go and insert some values in it. Okay, so now what I'm trying to do, I'm going to insert some 10 records with employee names and employee gender, employee salary, and employee ID. All right, so let us see let us fetch the complete table. So for that, I'm choosing select star from employees. All right, so if we see the table, okay, so we have got the employee ID informations, we have got employee names, we have got employee gender, and we have got employee salary. All right, so here let us now find out the rank. Okay, so rank on what basis, that also we have to understand. Okay, on what order we are going to get the rank, that also we have to understand. So for that, what I'm trying to do, I'm just creating a rank, okay, without the partition, okay, without any partition applying here. So for that, I'm writing a select query where I would like to see the employee name, I would like to see the employee salary, and I would like to see the employee gender, these three columns in an output. Along with that, I would like to even find out the rank. Rank over what? Rank over the employee salary, where I'm ordering all the salaries in a descending order. So when I'm talking that descending order, it means that the bigger value to the smaller value. So if we consider what is the biggest value here, 9,000 and 9,000, these two are the bigger values here. But if we see that 9,000 is the employee salary for the employee name Asif, and the same 9,000 is the salary for the employee name Karnav. All right, so now, and the next immediate after the 9,000, the next biggest value, if we consider, we have 7,500. So this 7,500 is for the employee name called Raj. So when these two get the tie, right, so employee ID 1 got the first rank, employee ID 2 also got the first rank. What about the next rank, whether that will be the rank 2 or that will be the rank 3, because the rank 1 has overtaken the second place as well. Okay, this is a tricky question. So now let's execute this. So I'm ordering the employee salary in a descending order and I'm naming it as rank. Now I'm again choosing the dense rank. I would like to also see the dense rank column. over the employee salary, as usual, as the same how we have written the rank function. And from which table I am choosing all these? I am choosing it from the table called employees. Okay, so now when I'm trying to execute, we can see that, my dear viewers, let's understand this very closely. Okay, we have got the rank column, we have got the dense rank column, am I right? So now the employee salary 9,000 got the first rank. In rank also it's 1, and in dense rank also it's 1. And the second employee with the highest salary is Karnav, and he also got the rank 1, and in the dense rank also it's rank 1. But when we see the third highest salary, which is 7,500, and 7,500 is for which employee? It's for Raj. So now this 7,500 is the third rank, am I right? So we got the number 3 in the rank, but we got the number 2 in dense rank. Why? What is the reason? So the reason is that this particular rank function 1, and it is skipping the 2, and it is giving the third. The reason that it is skipping the 2, because the second place is taken over by the first rank Karnav, right? So now, but in the dense rank, what's happening? Dense rank, we got the tie match, right? We have got 9,000 for Asif, which is the first rank and the dense rank, and in the first rank for Karnav also, but it did not skip the number 2. It did not skip the second rank. It has given the second rank for the next number, which is 7,500, for the next salary, which is 7,500. This we have to understand. Okay, what's happening? Rank, it is skipping us, but dense rank it is not skipping, but it is giving us in a sequence. Though it is the first rank for 2 people, but the first, after the first rank there should be the second rank, and the second rank is for Raj, and the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth, and ninth. So that's where the dense rank has got in a sequence without skipping it. But rank, it got skipped the second rank and has given us the third rank, because the second rank is overplaced by the first rank for the employee called Karnav. So I hope now you might have got the difference between what exactly is the rank and how exactly we are going to get the output with the dense rank. So now what I'm trying to do in the same example, I'm using the partition. Okay, I'm dividing it. Okay, I'm partitioning it, and I'm partitioning it with what? I'm partitioning it with the employee gender. Okay, so now the same select statement with the same column, employee name, employee salary, employee gender, with the rank over. So now I am using the function called partition by. Okay, I'm using partition by here. So this partition by for what column? For gender column. Now I'm using the partition, I'm dividing, I mean all the genders I'm partitioning into one. I mean all the male into one, all the females at one place, and all the males at one place, and then I'm ordering their salaries in a descending order. Okay, I hope it is clear. Let me repeat it again. Okay, so the partition by, I'm using it for the gender column, where all the females will be assigned at one place and all the males will be assigned at one place, and then I'm ordering them with their employee salary in a descending order. And the same thing I'm doing it for the dense rank as well. Alright, so now when I'm trying to execute it, just look into it, what's happening here. We have got the female, we have got female, that's 1. Rank 1 7,000, rank 2 6,500, rank 3 5,500, rank 4 4,000. Now as soon as the females are done, observe the difference, observe the partition, observe the variation, what's happening. As soon as the employee genders females are done, the time when the males have started, for the males the first salary goes for Asif, and the first rank goes for Asif, and the first rank goes for Karnav in rank, and in the dense rank the first rank goes for Asif, and the first rank also goes for Karnav, and the second rank goes for Raj. So under the female category 1 2 3 4 ranks, and after, as soon as the females are completed, as soon then the males count is started, the number sequence is changed. It did not continue with 5 6 7 8 9. It got continued with 1 2 3 4 again. So that is the importance of using partition by. When we are using partition by, we can clearly justify, okay, If you would talk about the gender category, then for how many females for who got the first rank, in males who got the first and second rank. So that's what we can segregate, and that's one we can categorize using this partition by. So now it is very clear that what exactly is this partition by. Along with the rank and dense rank, it is doing all the females, it assigned 1 2 3 4, and after the females are done, when the males have started, then it again started with the sequence 1 rather than continuing with the 5 6 numbers. So that's where partition by will be helpful. And now you might have got an idea what exactly is a rank, what exactly is a dense rank, and what is the difference between these two, rank and dense rank, in SQL Server. So thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as your source for IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate the tech world. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you. Stay curious and keep learning.